I got you.
Alright, we're going to Splash, so we switch over to GoPro mode.
Yeah.
First time I got to use the GoPro because I bought it for the cruise,
Oh, that's real cool.
and the cruise got canceled.
Yeah?
Oh, hey, Mickey?
Oh, yeah?
So that's about an hour wait. Got in line about, say, 12:20. So it's correct, we'll be done by 1:20.
While in line and on the attraction.
You guys excited? Here we go.
Not available at this time. Please arrive at the lobby.
Thank you. Sure.
We're still getting it.
Is it like refinery but more awesome?
All right, girls. Where are we going?
Pirates.
Huh?
Pirates.
Pirates. Are
We
you
got off Big
excited?
Thunder, we got off Splash.
Yeah. So recap. It's been a little bit. Recap. What have we all done so far?
Rides.
Okay.
Well, I think the last time we had the camera up was on Splash. Right from there, we went to Big Thunder, which
Okay.
Kelly did awesome on again. And we just got popcorn, of course.
Yep. We needed a refillable.
Candy.
And cotton candy, right?
And then we sat and ate a little bit. Now we're going on Pirates.
Going on Pirates, okay. Can you try to stay over here by your group, okay?
And after Pirates, we are gonna go, I think, Tiki Room.
Yep.
Or,
No, we're gonna have
Jungle.
Tiki Room. We're right there.
oh yes, and Jungle Cruise.
And Jungle Cruise, yeah. I mean, we're all right in here, so I really want to see the backside of water.
Yeah,
Right,
it's
Dennis?
the wonder of the world.
And it's time for some bad dad jokes. So
Yeah, no kidding, you're right up that alley.
it's
Tell me
all
why
right.
you like the ride.
Of course, it's funny.
The board game itself is fun though.
It is.
Ooh, a boat. Uh-oh.
A boat.
I'm going on a boat.
All right, so
So, sorry, I'm trying to weave my way through
I
the
can
lines.
smell it.
I don't, right? The
smell
pirate
the pirate water, right?
Oh. I gotta say these lines aren't bad. Like it's just they have stickers in really weird spots.
Yeah.
So I'm weaving.
Right.
I'm trying to like look sure I'm on the right spot.
Yeah. I mean, lines have not been bad.
No.
You know, they're usually they're posted higher than what they are. I mean,
My splash was 60, right?
Yep.
And we weighed it 30.
30. Yeah, it's basically almost been half
Yeah.
for most of these. So
Unless it's mine train.
Mine Train was pretty legit. It was pretty much on point. So.
Yeah.
But,
Well, we were first ones there in the morning. We were
Right.
there for rope drop, so yeah, we were gonna get
Yep.
the accurate time.
Yeah, for sure. So, but all in all, it's been a very fun trip so far. This first day, it's
Yeah.
been the weather has been just
Oh,
amazing.
beautiful.
Perfect weather. Lots of fun, lots of memories.
Yep. I know. It's like we're trying to capture it all. But we're also trying to all live in the moment,
Right.
so we don't pull the camera out a lot. So these vlogs are gonna be less
Yeah.
than our last trip.
We're just living in the moment.
Yes, that's our big thing. We're
So.
just gonna live in the moment.
All right. Let's go live.
We live.
Quit your clucking. The gentleman wants the ride. Don't jump off.
Now, you scurvy skunk! Do I hear 10? A hen for a 10!
10? I'll give you 20 for the ride.
Pipe down, you lily-livered lubber!
Okay, well, welcome to the world-famous Jungle Cruise. My name's Skipper Ryan. I'm going to be your guide for the next 5 days and 10 romantic nights. Now, I have a few safety reminders to help ensure your survival out here in the jungle. Please keep your arms, legs, hands, and feet inside the boat at all times. Remain seated and supervise your children. Keep the mask on over your mouth and nose. It'll keep the bugs out of your teeth. And if you lose something overboard, just raise your hand. And I'll raise my hand and then we'll wave goodbye together. Well, we begin our journey here, in the heel. Okay, well, we all know what an airplane crash in the jungle means, and that's hippos. They're incredibly agile. They can leap out of the water and into the sky to attack airplanes. And if you look around, not a single one of these hippos is wearing pants. They're all hippopotamus. Completely inappropriate. Well, we made it out of the hippo pool, and now we're headed into headhunter territory. It's a pretty terrible place to be headed. Looks like they're having a celebration, and that circular dance can only mean that they forgot how to square dance. How embarrassing. Oh no, it's an ambush! Everybody, get down! Get down, you gotta play along, let's go. Not gonna be the only one looking dumb on the boat today. Okay, here's a moment you've all been waiting for. It's amazing, it's fantastic, it's stupendous, never before seen, the eighth wonder of the world. It's this rock work right over here. It's absolutely beautiful. It's hand painted. They did a great job on it. Okay, well now we're on the Mekong River in Southeast Asia. Okay, at this point in our tour, I would like to point out just a few of my favorite plants that we have out here in the jungle. Any questions? Really wanted to get you all some souvenir plants to take home with you, but I just haven't bought any. Botany, it's the study of plants. It was very funny and everybody should have laughed.
I did.
Well, looks like we're now approaching the most dangerous part of our journey, the return to civilization. As we approach the unloading dock up ahead, please keep your hands inside the boat and remain seated. Gather up your personal belongings, grab small children by the hair and drag them out of the boat. Make sure you exit only through the door you entered, and do not climb over any of the crates in the center as you leave. It's the Jungle Cruise, not the Jungle Gym. Hope you all had fun. If you laughed, thanks for laughing. My name's Skipper Ryan. If you didn't laugh, thanks for leaving. It's been a pretty long 12 minutes. Some of you just stared at me the entire time. Now, we made it back a lot sooner than I thought we would have. We had to cut a lot of jokes for time. Really disappointing. There was a really great one about trickle-down economics, but 99% of you guys are not going to get it. Okay, well, you know what they say. Get out.
What is it supposed to do? Clock. We are just chilling with a quick break. We had Mickey pretzels, right? We got some popcorn. I got the spring rolls from right down there. I had a pepperoni. I had a cheeseburger. A quick little tidbit: if you're looking to get like the amount of food, don't get the pepperoni pizza. Those guys are little. The cheeseburger ones are bigger. So if you want more food for the same price, you get the cheeseburger. The pepperoni tasted good. Cheeseburger I think tasted better. But we're just quick snacking up, refueling, taking a little breaky break.
And we still have some cotton candy.
Some what?
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy? Yeah, so recapping, I'm not real sure what we've done.
I remember where we were last. I know, like I said, like, these vlogs are going to be all over the board. Because legit, like I said, we're just living in the moment.
Yeah.
And sometimes we remember to pull out the camera, sometimes we don't.
Right. I mean, we did, we got some magic shots taken, right? We got to see a little bit of the princess float.
Oh my gosh, yeah, this beautiful float. I didn't know they had the fairy godmother on it, Cinderella, they had Belle on it.
Super awesome float.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just, like I said, we did, what did we do right before?
We did Pirates Jungle Cruise, and then, we did carpets. And,
yeah, we did the magic carpets. We did Tiki Room. You know, we did.
I'll never get Tiki Room.
Yeah, we did Jungle Cruise. We did, what? Space, yeah, we've done everything, so. But anyway, that's a quick recap. Oh, we've done a lot of things, yeah. Well, I don't think we're going to get on Peter Pan or Pooh yet. So, I think we're going to try to hit up Big Thunder.
Day here. Like, we can, like, if you guys want to keep it scheduled here for our last day.
Is it our birthday here?
Our second, our first park day. We got in late yesterday.
So.
Yeah, we can have 4 more days.
But anyway, that's where we're at. So we're going to try to figure out what we're going to do the rest of the 2 hours here. Park closes in 2 hours. And Hi.
Hi.
So, we made our way to Big Thunder. Kinley, where are we?
Big
Thunder. So.
Seems that Kinley's really liking Big Thunder. For her to ask to go on a ride more than once,
Right.
it's huge.
It's very cool. So
And you know, I mean, she likes it.
she likes it. We're gonna do it. We got a little less than 2 hours here, so I think we're gonna finish up with Big Thunder, and then we're gonna go to the Emporium, cruise on a little bit. We're gonna try to get our picture of Main Street at the end of the day.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll be clear enough that we get some fun picture. I still, my dream, although we have masks on this time,
Yeah.
we have the girls playing on the street.
Yep.
I want to get that in canvas form then.
I know, right?
What are they like?
I'm hoping we can beat the rain too.
Yeah.
So I mean, I think a lot of this has to do with the rain, and that could be. So if we can beat the rain, that'd be awesome. Okay, so we got off of that thing called Big Thunder Railroad, and we're gonna try to quick get on 7 Doors Mine Train yet. The time said 50 minutes. We got in and out in like less than a half an hour.
Yeah, it was 20 minutes.
Was it 20 minutes only?
20 minutes.
That's what I thought. It wasn't long. So 7 Doors right now says 55. So we're hoping that it's a little less than that. We got about an hour left until park closes. So, huh?
Yep, go get in line, Dad. Go.
All right, come on. Come on, you. Aspen's leading the way. Just gonna find our spot in line.
For more of our other Disney trips, check out these other great videos. And don't forget to subscribe.